What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Organic Cali. I was in Mexico for a few days and didn't get a chance to edit as much as I wanted to. I just had some footage of me finishing up the mung beans that we're gonna use in the soup. The curry episode, I promise, just a couple days away. You know, when you go to Mexico and the waves are good, you gotta put life on hold. There's not waves all the time, so when there's waves, you gotta get on that. See my sweet sunburn I have going? Yeah, I wore sunscreen the whole time and still got pretty roasted. So I met somebody down there who is creating this new sunscreen. It's zinc oxide powder that you can use any oil with. He used avocado oil this time. So when I get my hands on some of that stuff, I'm gonna be sure to let you guys know. And it's totally organic. So it's Organic Cali approved for sure. And you can make it yourself. And you know, I'm all about making the stuff by myself. So let's get to it. Here's how we finish the mung beans. Okay, so it's been 12 hours since we soaked our mung beans. It's time for the next step. We're gonna drain them, put them back in here in a damp t-shirt. You can use a t-shirt, muslin cloth, or cheesecloth. Muslin cloth is finer than a t-shirt, but tighter weave than a cheesecloth. But not many people have muslin cloth laying around. So t-shirts everybody has. I chopped out a piece like this big. So let's get into it, guys. Take the top off. See how the water is a little discolored. Some of them are already starting little sprouts. The shells are coming off. Take out my strainer. You don't have to have a strainer, but strainers always help with everything. Wow, they really grew in size, that's for sure. Rinse this guy out. Just leave that chilling for a second. We'll get the t-shirt super wet. Gonna wring it out to where it's just damp. Line the bowl with that. And then it says store in a cool, dry, dark place. It still needs air ventilation. So if I put this on top and then throw a towel over it, it's gonna still have air ventilation. It's gonna help these things sprout in no time. So we're gonna check back in 4 or 6 hours and repeat that step. And then you could be done, or if you like the sprouts longer, you can continue this process for 4 days, but who has 4 days, right? Oh yeah, I forgot to throw the light covering structure over there. So I'm just grabbing a towel. It says if sunlight reaches it, photosynthesis will occur and your sprouts will start to leaf. And I guess the leaves don't taste that good. So just leave it covered like that and we're good to go. So here's the unveiling of the mung bean sprouts. Just to overview, we soaked them for 12 hours, strained them, put the fresh water, and for 3 separate sessions, 4 hours apiece, I just did the same thing, strained them and put fresh water in. And this is what they look like after a little more than 24 hours. Whoosh. Oh man, look at that. So many have sprouted. Check this out. See those awesome little sprouts? Let's give it a taste. Mmm. Yummy. So, they say you can go like 3, 4, 5 days if you want these little sprouts to come out to here. But I don't have that kind of time, like I said, so we're just gonna strain them, throw them in the fridge, and use them for good quality protein and pretty much everything until they're gone. You can see like a lot of the skins are starting to fall off. It doesn't matter, you can leave the skins on there or take them off. I'm not gonna mess with it. Usually skins have a lot of added nutrients, so I'm all about the skins. You guys know that with the carrots and potatoes, and I'm a skin guy. Wow, these things have tripled in size, or quadrupled. Look, it's like filling up this whole thing now. Gotta call some of my friends, see if they want some mung bean sprouts. You know what I'm saying? Mung beans, protein, a lot of good stuff. Boom, read right here. All this good stuff.